Good day, folks. Brent Barnett here with Vancouver Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's yacht sales network. Here today shooting our latest video. Really excited about this one. This is a beauty boat. This is a 1990 53-foot Tollycraft 53 motor yacht, Pilothouse. This boat is exceptional. It has been owned by the current owner for over 17 years. It has had a major refit. The big one, of course, is the twin Caterpillar diesel engines, over $250,000 invested in those. The entire refit was well over $350,000. I'm gonna do an exterior video here today for you, as this boat has so much to be seen. Let's take a look. Well, folks, what do you think of that boat? What a beautiful boat. Ready to go. Nothing to be done to this boat except get her out and enjoy her for another summer. This is a beautiful boat. If you want it showing, please contact me at 236-688-6828. You can contact me by email, brent@vancouveryachtsales.com, or check out our listing at vancouveryachtsales.com. We'll have all the measurements, dimensions, all the specifics to the boat. I'll have additional 360 images that allow you to scroll around the inside of the boat. Hope you enjoyed it. This is a beauty.